I hope you enjoy the video and be sure to use code Chevy in the item shop before purchasing any cosmetic items.
Bro, everyone's voting for the drum gun. How do you vote though? Everyone's voting for the drum gun, dog. There's one kid. One kid on the grappler, bro. Wait, what? Yo, what is this though? How do we vote? Oh, the more you pickaxe it. Oh, shit. The drum gun is about to win. I think. I don't get it, bro. The drum gun has the most pickaxes. I think that's how it works. If I step back right here, you can see it. The drum gun has the most pickaxes. That's crazy. Oh shit! Shit, dude! Where did the drum gun go? Okay, buddy, really? Oh shit! Oh shit! This looks sick, bro. Oh my god! The volcano. Yo, look at the map! What the hell? Okay. Oh, they took out retail. They took out retail, bro. Bro, they really took out retail, bro. I'm pissed. What's there? Tilted! GG's, brother. Oh no. Wait, Greasy's back? Is Greasy back? Please don't go to Tilted. GG's Tilted. Oh shit. Ooh. So just let me spin the final one. Alright, Tilted just got annihilated, bro. Oh my god. What's going on, bro? Oh no. Everybody's going Tilted for show. For show. You already know what we're rocking, bro. Oh shit. They done messed up Tilted, bro. Big time. Come here, boy. Oh! He has a drum. He has a drum. No way. Yeah, the drummer gonna on him, bro. I'm wiping out kids out here. Out of here, buddy. Drop two after this. What? Oh, it did 200 damage because they were standing beside it. This guy is invisible. Yeah. guy is invisible. Yeah. 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 What's that guy doing in that box, bro? Let's go. Picks I'm talking about. Another pick right here. Missed that. Okay, buddy. That weak shit out of here. I need to. I don't know. What? Annihilated me, bro. This guy. Wait. What? Get out of here, buddy. I know you. Get out of here, buddy. We know you. Come on, now. I'm gonna add these guys. This guy's invisible. Fuck. RPTA. Brought it back, baby.